So the pandemic, it's consumed our lives the last 2 years. You've captured national attention for going after corporations in the Trump administration as Attorney General. U.S. Attorney Rachel Rollins, who was our guest recently, said there's fraud that needs to be targeted in all of this that's happened with the pandemic. Where's the first place that we need to look?
Well, I think that work is already long underway. I mean, for well over a year now, we've been going after folks who duped our cities and our state into purchasing, masks and other things that didn't show up or arrive on time. We've gone after those who were selling fake hand sanitizers. We've gone after those who have attempted to or tried to defraud our unemployment fund. So that work is ongoing. I certainly welcome the U.S. Attorney's involvement. Wherever there is fraud, we should be getting after it. I also have focused a lot of attention, though, over the last year on protecting workers during this pandemic, protecting workplace conditions, protecting tenants from eviction, protecting our healthcare providers, and working to make sure, importantly, that in our communities of color, our low-income communities, vulnerable communities, that we were getting there with testing and vaccination. It is an area where I was particularly outspoken about over the last year and a half, and will continue to be, because equity really should be a centerpiece of what we do in government and the work and the focus. And as Attorney General and as a former civil rights lawyer, I have focused across so many realms on pushing equity, whether it's in transportation, education, housing, healthcare, criminal justice system, and it is continuing work. But COVID's taught us a lot of things, sure, and we've learned we've learned how resilient we are. We also have learned how vast some of these disparities are, and now is the time to take that up and fix those.
And COVID's also put a lot of things in front of us and a lot of arguments in front of us. For example, a state appeals court judge just put a temporary stay on Boston Mayor Michelle Wu's vaccine mandate for city workers. Should government have the right to require public health mandates like this?
I think we need to continue to be guided by science and by the data on this. I think we've also needed to demonstrate flexibility, and things may change week to week, month to month. And we just, Ed, we're in this together, and we need to find a way to support one another. The more people are vaccinated, the better. So please, if you're not vaccinated, go and get vaccinated. If you're not boosted yet and you're eligible, go and get boosted. This is going to help all of us.
But should government require us to do it?
I required it in my office, and it's worked out well. I respect the decisions made by executives in other places. Again, it's encouraging to see the vaccination rates go up, and to see that Massachusetts has really led the way when it comes to vaccination rates. And so we've got to continue with that message, continue with that theme as we continue to help residents and communities come through this pandemic.
Police misconduct has been a big conversation for several years now. Reports of major problems at the Massachusetts State Police, which works closely with your office, have been rampant. How would you change the police climate in Massachusetts if elected governor?
Well, I think supporting the new post commission. I mean, as Attorney General, I supported the legislation which created a new commission to evaluate training and standards for police. I think that's important. I will continue to support training for police officers on a variety of issues. I will continue to support efforts to build bridges and build trust between police and communities that they serve. This is incredibly important, I know, and I think that I have been a leader on this in the Commonwealth, and certainly would look to take that forward as governor.
Do you support lowering budgets of many police departments, the state police, for example?
You know what we need to do with police departments? We need to help them and give them the support that they need, and give the communities the support that they need. Right now, so many calls are calls for mental health issues, domestic violence, substance use disorder. We need to empower our cities and towns with the resources to serve those residents. And right now, police have been responding to things that really were never part of what their job was supposed to be about. So as a community and as a state, we can do better, and we must.
And I understand we're changing the mood entirely with this question, but you've heard of the AG curse, right? The last 6 attorney generals running for higher office have lost. I mean, do you believe in this thing? Obviously you don't, because you're running for governor, but.
Well, during my time, I'm lucky to see some curses broken here in town, and I sure hope that we can break this one.
Maura Healey, it's great to have you with us this morning. We do appreciate it.
Great to be with you both.
All right, thanks to the Attorney General.